In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Zoom meeting quickly and efficiently, whether it's an impromptu get-together or a scheduled event on your calendar. Zoom has become an indispensable tool for virtual communication, allowing people from all around the world to connect with just a few clicks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to set up your own Zoom meetings with ease. Let's get started by launching the Zoom app on your computer. If you haven't downloaded it yet, don't worry. You can easily find it on Zoom's official website, allowing a quick setup process. After launching the app, you'll be prompted to sign in. Make sure you're using your credentials from your registered Zoom account. Signing in ensures that you have access to all the features needed for hosting meetings. Once you're successfully logged in, take a look at the Zoom homepage. Here, you'll notice a prominent button labeled New Meeting. Clicking this will start an instant meeting, which is perfect for those moments when you need to meet with someone on the spot. When you start the meeting, you'll find yourself in a virtual room, and you can begin inviting participants. There are a couple of ways to invite people. You can either send them an invite link directly or invite them via the Zoom interface. Simply click on Participants, then Invite, and follow the prompts to share the link. Now, let's say you're planning ahead and want to set up a meeting for a later date. In that case, you'll want to use the scheduling feature. Going back to the home page of your Zoom application, find and click on Schedule. This action will open up a variety of options where you can customize your meeting details. These include selecting the date and time, setting a meeting duration, and deciding whether the meeting will be a one-time event or part of a recurring series, which is especially handy for regular team meetings or classes. After you fill out all the necessary particulars, don't forget to click Save. This step finalizes your meeting details and ensures that your event is stored in your account, so you can access it whenever necessary. Plus, it integrates with various calendar applications to simplify your planning even further. And there you have it. Setting up a Zoom meeting can be as instantaneous or as premeditated as you need it to be. Whether it's spontaneous or scheduled, Zoom offers the flexibility to suit your collaborative style. Be sure to explore additional settings and features within Zoom that can enhance your meeting experience, such as virtual backgrounds and breakout rooms. Thank you for watching, and now you're ready to host your next Zoom meeting with confidence.